Video number 7, Doing Math with Cell References. In this lesson we're going to get Excel to do some math using multiple cells, use our cell reference, use our equation symbol to build a function, and examine the advantages of using cell references to make the equations. As always, let's open Excel. So let's put some titles into Excel so we know what we've done. In cell F9, type value 1. In cell F10, type value 2. Then in cell G9, let's put the value 1 as 4. And in cell G10, put the value 2 as 2. Now let's do some math. In cell F14, type the word addition. In cell F15, type the word subtraction. In cell F16, type the word multiplication. And in cell F17, type the word division. And here is something we've covered earlier. The words are longer than the cell. We should be able to make the cell longer. So let's go back up to the top where the letters are, move the mouse between F and G, and double click. And the cell should move to the right length. Now in cell G12 we have two choices. We can use the equal symbol as we've learned. Type equals, then G9 plus G10 and press enter. You should get the answer 6. So let's try something different for the subtraction. Go into cell G15 and type the equal sign. Then let's move our mouse over and click on cell G9. Notice the cell is highlighted, then the minus symbol. Now move the mouse to cell G10 and click. Notice how it too is highlighted. This is to help us see what we've selected. Now press enter and you should have your answer as 2. You see, you can type the cell reference in or simply click on the cell. Let's try both methods a second time. We'll use the keyboard for multiplication and the mouse for division. So let's do the multiplication function. G16 type equals, then G9, asterisk, G10. Remember we use the asterisk for multiplication. And press enter, and we get 8. And in cell G17 type equals, then move the mouse to G9 and click. Then use the backslash for divide, and move the mouse to G10 and click. Then we press enter and you get your answer 2. So we said let's see the advantage of doing our math this way. Well, let's go back to cell G9 and change the 4 to an 8. Then you'll see that all 4 of the math functions are updated in one go. This means we don't have to remake our functions every time we change our numbers. So here's what we learned in this lesson. Doing math using cell references, 2 ways to reference the cell, type the reference or click the mouse, and we showed the advantages of cell references. In the next lesson we'll use a real-world advantage of this and finish building our grocery list.